Have you ever wondered, why does water make things wet? It's a question that seems simple but has a fascinating answer. Water is something we encounter every day, whether it's in the form of rain, a glass of water, or even the moisture in the air. But what exactly makes it so special that it can make things wet? Let's dive in and take a closer look. To understand why water makes things wet, we need to start at the molecular level. Water is made up of molecules, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. This simple structure is the key to its unique properties, but this seemingly simple structure has a superpower: it sticks to surfaces. This sticking ability is due to the way water molecules interact with each other and with other materials. Water molecules form bonds with each other called hydrogen bonds. These bonds are relatively weak individually, but collectively, they create a strong network. These bonds not only hold water together but also let it cling to other materials. This is why water can spread across surfaces and make them wet. That's where wetness begins. When water spreads across a surface, it's not just sitting there passively. It's actively interacting with the surface and with other water molecules. When water spreads across a surface, 2 forces are at play: adhesion, water sticking to the surface, and cohesion, water molecules sticking to each other. Adhesion and cohesion work together to create the sensation of wetness. But why doesn't water wet everything? Not all surfaces interact with water in the same way. On surfaces like glass, water molecules bond easily so it spreads out. This is because the surface energy of glass is high, allowing water to form hydrogen bonds with it. On oily surfaces, however, water just slides off. Oil and water don't mix because oil is nonpolar and water is polar. Why? Because water can't form hydrogen bonds with oil. This lack of bonding is what makes oil surfaces hydrophobic, meaning they repel water. This is what we call hydrophobicity, when a surface repels water completely. Hydrophobic surfaces are designed to minimize the contact area with water, causing it to beat up and roll off. Ever seen water roll off a raincoat? That's a perfect example of hydrophobicity in action. That's hydrophobic science in action. Raincoats are made from materials that repel water, keeping you dry even in a downpour. So wetness isn't just water, it's molecular magic happening right before your eyes. The next time you feel something wet, remember the tiny hydrogen bonds at work. Next time it rains, think about the science behind every drop. Each raindrop is a tiny marvel of molecular interaction. Is water really just water? Or is it a complex dance of molecules and forces? Follow for more science secrets. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.